Look, the modern professional life, it's a tightrope walk, isn't it? Every minute accounted for, every second a commodity. And yet we keep buying gadgets designed to fail, right? Cheap plastic, flimsy components, tech that's essentially landfill in waiting the moment you unbox it. It's a drain on your wallet, and more importantly, on your time. But every now and then, something lands that feels different. Something built to last, to actually earn its keep. The SwitchBot S20. This isn't another throwaway. This is a statement. Its core mission? Time recovery. You wake up on a frantic Tuesday morning, deadlines looming, the kids late for school, and the floor, well, the floor is still last night's dinner party. That's where the S20 steps in. With its truly monstrous 100,000 PA hurricane suction and that self-cleaning RevoRoll mop, it's not just moving dirt around, it's obliterating it. With 1 kilogram of downward pressure and 300 cycles a minute, it practically pressure washes your floor while you're showering. Imagine walking into a genuinely clean space without having lifted a finger. That's 10 minutes you just recovered for that extra coffee. Or perhaps just to breathe. Pick this thing up, and you immediately understand. This isn't some flimsy toy. It carries a solid 16 pounds of dense, purposeful engineering. From its wide 19-inch stance to the satisfying heft of its components, there's zero flex, zero creak. It's not just a robot. It's a compact tank designed to absorb the indignities of daily life without flinching. This is the kind of gear you buy once, the kind that makes you think, okay, this is where the money went. Every detail, from the auto-drying 50°C hot air mop to the enormous 4-liter dust bag that promises 90 days of grime storage, it all screams longevity. Now, it's not entirely without its quirks. In an era of blazing fast home networks, it's a curious design choice that the S20 sticks to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. No 5 GHz here. For some, that might be a slight friction point during initial setup, a minor inconvenience for sure. But, and this is crucial, it's a trade-off that speaks to its priorities. Stable, reliable connectivity, integrated seamlessly with Matter, Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Assistant. It's a workhorse, not a network show pony. It prioritizes cleaning, intelligence, and integration over bleeding-edge wireless protocols. And frankly, for a device whose primary job is immaculate floors, that's a compromise I can live with. Amazon prices on a device of this caliber, especially with its unique feature set, they're rarely static. The market for this kind of top-tier home automation is constantly shifting. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.